So as developers, I think we can all agree that applying for jobs is completely broken. If I look back, for example, at my time of applying for junior level roles, I probably applied to literally over 100 jobs. And I think that everyone agrees that this is the absolute worst part about being a developer. You're expected to manually shift through listings full of ghost jobs that were posted months ago. Then you're expected to tailor your resume by hand to every individual job. And all this means you're expected to spend hours every single week just on job applications before you even get to the hard part of actually interviewing. But now imagine if there was a way to apply for jobs without any of this hassle. Well, now for the first time, there is. And it is by using a platform called JobRite, which has quickly grown to be the most popular AI-powered job search platform in the US. And in this video, I'm going to show you how it works, how you can use it to apply for jobs with 90% less work, and how it can triple the interviews that you land, no matter your current experience level as a developer. So let's get into it. First of all, thank you for JobRite for partnering with me on this video. And I'm very excited to show this to you because I think this is a total game changer for any developer that I personally really wish I had when I was applying for jobs. But first, what is JobRite? So JobRite is the most popular AI job search platform in the US right now, and this is very quickly growing by making job searching effortless, using AI to find jobs for you and actually landing more interviews for the people that use the platform. So how does it do that? Well, first of all, you get access to more jobs than anywhere else with 400,000 plus listings daily, including hidden jobs that never show up on LinkedIn or Indeed. Secondly, out of these jobs, they automatically discover jobs that match your experience and profile. And thirdly, with their AI-powered tools, you can, for example, auto-fill applications, tailor your resume to each job automatically, and identify the best person on LinkedIn to message for a referral all in one place. So without further ado, let me show you a quick demo of how it works. So to get started, you're gonna go on to jobrite.ai. And over here, you can just click try for free to get started. So we're gonna sign up with Google over here, and it is going to make us an account. And after that, it's going to simply ask for your job function. We're just going to click full stack engineer over here. Then we're going to select the job type that we're looking for, whether it's full-time, part-time, internship, or whatever. Location, I'm just going to put anywhere in the US, and I'm going to take this to say that I'm open for remote roles. And then you can take this if you need work authorization, i.e. H-1B sponsorships in the US to work legally, so that it will only give you jobs that actually are open to that. And next, you are going to upload your resume. Now I'm gonna select this resume over here, which is a slightly older resume from when I was applying for junior jobs. And based on that, it is going to start matching us to jobs. And now, just in literally less than 2 minutes, it has found us 7,195 roles that fit myself best. And then I can kind of filter it further here by selecting the type of role that I'm looking for. And then we get in the dashboard. So over here, we can see that all of these listings have this match score that tell us how good of a match this job is for our specific profile. Then from here, we can adjust our preferences, i.e. title, industry, company, salary, etc. And from here, we can ask Orion, which is their AI tool that we can use to ask all types of questions. For example, tell us about the job, to help us interview prep, and we'll show this in more detail later on in this video. So if we now, for example, click on this job opening over here, it is from PayPal. The role is software engineer. Location is Scottsdale, Arizona. And obviously we have all the normal information that we would usually have for a job listing, salary, information about the company, which is PayPal. And we've got the responsibilities, qualifications, etc. So the reason it's found this because it is telling us that we are a 77% match for this, 100% match for the experience level, 56% match for skill, and 53% match for industry experience. But what is really cool here is that what we can do is actually create a customized resume for this specific job listing. That is, of course, something that you should do every time you apply for a job to maximize your chances of actually standing out. Usually you would need to do this manually, but with JobRite, just by clicking on here, customize your resume, you can actually let their AI tools do this for you. So it tells us here that our match is 5.5, which is okay, but not the best. And it tells us that resumes under 6.0 are likely to be filtered out. Now, it's telling us here what is a good match. So the job role is a very good match. The years of experience is a good match. But then this is where we have some issues. So in industry experience, job keywords, we don't have actually any of these in the resume. And the summary does not showcase my qualification and alignment for this job. So what I can do is click here on improve my resume for this job. And I can select which sections I want to enhance. I'm just gonna have all of them. And I'm just gonna select, for example, these keywords to add based on what I have actually done. Obviously, you don't want to lie. You always want to be truthful, but this is just about presenting yourself in the best way possible. So we're going to select all of these that I have experience with. Ruby on Rails. I also worked with Java before, microservices. So we're going to generate our resume. It says it's usually taking about 10 to 20 seconds. And here, this took about 10 seconds or something like that. And we now have ourselves an updated resume. And it has successfully fitted into one page, which is always recommended. It has written us this summary, etc. Basically in green, you can see the sections that it actually changed. It has added the skill section. It has added some more bullet points to our work experience, etc., etc. That looks pretty good. What's really great about this is that these resumes that JobRite generates are always ATS optimized. So this basically means these automated tracking softwares that the employers use to automatically shift through resumes. Most of the time, if you don't know this properly, probably no human even ever sees your resume because it is not optimized for these softwares, but these are always going to be optimized. And what it has done is that it has looked at the job applications here for this job and then used those specific keywords that they're actually looking for in these resumes to maximize the chances that this actually stands out for this particular employer. And from here, what we could do is either edit this if there's some issue, or we can also go into this editor section here and do it from here. And we can see that based on these changes, our score jumped from 5.5 to 10. So literally a perfect score over here. And if you don't want to edit it manually, but there are some other issues, you can, for example, tell this AI over here to do it for you. For example, I can tell it, please add my experience building my startup RevTrack and analytics software as the CTO into this resume, because this is an older resume where I hadn't yet added this. So I'm not gonna do this right now, but as you can see, you could then use this to modify your resume further. And then also here in style, you can literally go and edit the style of your resume. If you want to, you can change the font, you can change the section spacing, everything like this. And then once you are satisfied, you can either download the resume if you want to use it in the future, or click apply now over here. Now, let's say we want to apply for this job right now. We can actually click here on apply with autofill, which will allow us to apply for this job by auto-filling the entire application. So now over here, we have the actual application page on the PayPal website. We can click apply now. And what JobRite has is a Chrome extension that can allow you to use your JobRite profile to auto-fill a lot of these applications. So we're gonna click here on add to Chrome, which is gonna add it over here. And now once we go into this job application page, this JobRite Chrome extension is gonna open up on the right-hand side. And now we simply need to complete our profile details in order to do this autofill. So we're gonna do that. So I'm just gonna fill out this information right now and then get back to you. And most of this, as you can see, is already kind of auto-filled within JobRite itself because it has my resume. So even this, I don't actually need to fill out manually. Again, I'm just gonna leave all of that. And now our profile is complete, which allows us to now go back into this job application. Let's just refresh this. And as you can see, now we are ready to autofill this. We can see that we are 78% matched based on this. And we have 4 credits left. And you can obviously subscribe to that plan to get unlimited access. And here we can see the resume, which is customized, the one that we just created. And we're gonna click on autofill. And as we can see now, magically, all of these fields are being filled for us, which is pretty amazing. And I believe that it is finished. We can see that our resume has been uploaded. My name, my email, number, everything like this has been filled out automatically. Now it didn't get absolutely every single one of these, which is quite understandable, but it's very easy to check and do the rest of these, tick some boxes manually. And now I would be pretty much ready to submit this application, which is extremely cool. And having this now that I'm no longer really applying for jobs really makes me jealous for those of you who can now use this, because I cannot imagine the amount of time that this would have saved me. And it doesn't end there, because if we now go back and let's just say, yes, I applied, to obviously increase your chances, it is always much better to have a referral or like a contact within the company who can actually refer you, because what often happens internally in these companies is that they get all these applications from the application systems, but in reality, they will end up choosing someone who is a referral. But then the problem is, how do you find these referrals? And before, you would have to do this manually, find a contact, message people on LinkedIn, everything like that. But now with JobRite, you can also make this a lot easier, because they have this insider connection section over here where you can discover valuable connection within the company who might provide insights and potential referrals. So it can find connections, for example, from your school, from my previous company, and also beyond my network that might be able to help. So for example, from here, we can click unlock, and then we can connect our LinkedIn into this tool and then view my connections. And then over here, for example, from my previous company section, we can actually view some connections that are from one of the companies where I've worked before. So the idea is that I could contact one of these people, be like, hey, we worked at the same company before, and use it to make connection that way. Perhaps you can set up a coffee chat. People are usually always willing to help as long as there is some kind of connection that you have with that person. And from here, you can just get these contact details automatically without needing to search for it myself. For example, I can connect via email or via LinkedIn over here and click connect now. And it even writes me an email or a message that I can send. Obviously, you want to then modify this perhaps, but this is how you generally can make connections at these companies and increase your chances of actually getting hired. Because statistically speaking, using referrals gives you a 4 times higher interview rate compared to just applying online. This is the power of human connections, which now is much easier thanks to JobRite. The last thing I wanted to show you is their AI chat. So over here, we can click on Orion, which is their AI chat where you can go and ask questions. So it knows already that we are in this job application over here. I see that you're asking for this job software engineer role at PayPal. What would you like to know? And for example, we can ask it why this job might be a good fit for me. And based on, again, your profile, your skills, your experience, it is giving us an answer and is telling us the relevant experience, the seniority, the education that might make us a good match. Or I can also ask it how to prepare for an interview for this job. And it can give us some tips. So here it has told us to review core technologies, so brush up on Java and Python, especially for backend development. Again, it knows this based on the job descriptions and the requirements and things like that. System design, coding skills, behavioral questions, etc. So you can literally use this to spar and perhaps do even a mock interview or something like that if you want. And you can also ask it to, for example, build a cover letter. So not all jobs require this, but let's say this one does. It can literally, again, in just 10 to 20 seconds, generate you a customized cover letter for this particular job. Now, I never recommend to use just the AI generated one directly, but again, these are going to be a great starting point that you can then build on. So this literally gives you like a 24/7 career coach on your pocket, which can help you write your cover letters, tailor your resumes, prep for interviews, essentially take you end to end throughout the entire job application process. And on top of all of this, they have also got their AI agent. Now, I'm not going to cover this in too much detail over here, but basically, this is the JobRite agent, which you could subscribe to, which can essentially take your entire profile and then scan a bunch of jobs, understand your career goals, and then find you high fit roles and essentially automate the entire job application process even further. So if you are looking to land a developer job in the US right now, I think using JobRite is simply a no-brainer because it takes these hundreds of hours of work that is the least favorite part of every developer's job hunting process, and it essentially automates like 80 to 90% of it. And because JobRite tailors your resumes, they help you write your cover letters, they help you prepare for interviews, they not only take away the work, but they also make it much more likely that you can actually land these jobs, because most people don't have any idea how to tailor their resumes. They don't even know that they have to do this. So with this is all just going to happen automatically so that you can focus your time on the things that matter and the thing that you probably like a lot more, which is actually improving your skills as a developer. So again, to get started, you can click my link down below in the description. And thank you again for JobRite for partnering with me on this video. Let me know what you think about this down below in the description. And with that, I will see you in the next video.